guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm gonna give you another very important information, and that is the reason why you would have to detox your underarms. You're gonna be like, why would I have to detox my underarms? Have you even heard of that before? Keep watching this video. As we all know, we use deodorants and other things on our underarms. And we all know that these things contain some chemicals. These antiperspirants and other deodorants which prevents us from even sweating and which prevents body odor and all that. Some of them contain aluminium, titanium and all that. Now when we use them, believe it or not, some of these toxins stay there and they do not get the chance to come out. So what is gonna happen? After some time, you're gonna realize that if you don't use your deodorant, or even if you use it, you just have smelly underarms. Even if you don't run, even if you don't do any energetic stuff, you realize that you are smelly. Even if it's winter, you realize that there is some smell over there and you do not understand. You know, you've taken your shower, you are clean. What is causing that? That is a sign to tell you that you need to detoxify your underarm. Now I'm talking about detoxifying your underarm, and you're gonna ask, how am I gonna do that? Now you're gonna do that by making a detoxifying mask. And how do we do that? You're gonna need some bentonite clay. So get your bentonite clay and add some water. Add some few teaspoons of water to it. Afterwards, add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything up and leave it alone for about 2 to 3 hours. Just put it aside. Now, starting from a plain underarm, just apply the paste over there and leave it till it dries or for about 20 minutes. Afterwards, wash it off with lukewarm water. After doing this, you can instantly feel that your underarm does not smell anymore. Now, you're gonna ask, how many times am I supposed to do this to really detoxify my underarm? And this is about 2 to 3 times in a week. And when you realize that the smell, the bad smell, has stopped, then you can give a pause to it. If you continue using this, you are not even gonna need deodorant in the first place. This is a really good detoxifying agent which gets rid of all the chemicals and the unwanted products over there, which makes you smell that bad. So now you know how to detoxify your underarms, and you have to do this often, especially for those who use a lot of deodorants and sprays on their underarms. You really need to detoxify your underarms a lot. Also, these toxins darkens your underarms a bit. That is why sometimes you realize that your underarm is way darker than your, overall body color. Is also another reason. And when you do this detoxifying process, it's also gonna get rid of the discoloration over there. So it's like a 2-in-1 something. You're getting rid of smell, you're getting rid of toxins, and you're getting rid of dark underarms. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, and do not forget to detoxify your underarms. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.